Hello and welcome to this quick overview of our math modules that are available now so that you can achieve math success at your CXC exam. Contact information is there on your screen and number and website is velcromath.com. Now, in this study guide rather, you'll be able to rate your ability on each of the different categories that come in the CXC syllabus: number theory, consumer arithmetic, algebra, sets, geometry and trigonometry, measurement, and so on, coordinate geometry, statistics, and functions. And you can rate yourself on a scale from 1 to 5. How good are you at it? Are you at a 5 or 3, or you're struggling with it? Now, our software won the Guyana Innovation Prize in 2023, a program exclusively sponsored by GT&T, 2 million Guyana dollars. So we are able to use AI and bring you the latest techniques, study techniques for you to improve your performance at your upcoming exam. So this PDF document introduces you to exam preparation. It's a checklist that you can use to quickly come up to speed with your studies for CXC mathematics, while at the same time improving your digital literacy. Our technique and our strategies have been classroom tested and teacher approved. Many students call it the Rosetta Stone for CXC mathematics. Now you may be wondering, what is the Rosetta Stone? Well, the Rosetta Stone is the code that allows you to, or enables you to crack the learning code for CXC mathematics and get top grades. Click and Learn CXC Math is AI powered learning. Now you can pause the video and go through and read what's on your screen. What makes Click and Learn different? Explainer videos, short explainer videos show step by step how to solve math problems. Bite size, they're 5 to 10 minutes long and so on. And you can read what students who have used our software, what they say about how effective they find it and what they learned and how quickly they learned it and so on. You can pause the video. Now this is a exam prep checklist for CXC vectors and matrices that will enable you to go on the fast track and prepare for your exam. In week 1, you master the foundational concepts such as the key definitions for vectors, magnitude, direction, notation, and so on, matrices, basic operations, and you use the space provided to record your notes. The notes go there. In week 2, you look at advanced operations and applications, vector magnitude and direction, and the formula, how it's written, and so on, matrix multiplication, real world problems. And you'll see this through engaging videos where I explain step by step how to solve those problems. In week 3, you'll cover things like determinants, inverses, and systems, matrix determinants, develop practice exercises, solving systems of equations, and so on. Week 4, you cover exam simulation and refinement, timed exercises, error analysis, SBA integration, and stress management. You learn through these engaging videos, and as you know, with the video, you have the control over the video. You can pause it, you can replay it any number of times, and so cover work quickly and easily. Key resources that are available: diagnostic quiz to flag errors in matrix operations. We have 3 versions of our software: light tier and standard, and then premium. You'll be able to do confidence check your confidence level, rating from based upon your readiness 1 to 5 on the topics that are covered in this study guide. You learn mnemonics and hacks, how you can memorize formula quickly and easily. Vectors, precision vectors, Problem solved on your screen step by step. You see the solution step by step. Matrix operations and so on. Combine vectors and matrices and more videos. Each is around 5 to 10 minutes. Shows you step by step how to solve similar problems. And then there's an interactive quiz. If a vector is so and so and the vector b is this, then a plus b is which one? Is it a, b, c, or d? And you tick on the corresponding answer that you think is the correct answer and so on. So you can test your knowledge objectively using our study guide. 10 multiple choice questions and you see the answers on the page. Then you watch videos and so on. So we have you covered. You can get yours today.